Ever found yourself lost in the labyrinth of online scheduling, desperately trying to figure out how to get paid for your valuable time? You're not alone. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur, a budding freelancer, or a side hustle superstar, the seamless integration of payments into your scheduling system can be a game changer. It's the difference between chasing invoices and watching your hard-earned cash flow effortlessly into your account. Think about it. You've meticulously crafted your services, honed your expertise, and built a loyal clientele. The last thing you want is friction during the final step, getting paid. A clunky or unreliable payment process can lead to frustrated clients, delayed payments, and a whole lot of unnecessary stress. That's where the right scheduling software, equipped with a robust payment processor, steps in to save the day. Now, if you're exploring the world of online booking and appointment scheduling, chances are you've stumbled upon Acuity Scheduling. It's a popular platform, praised for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features designed to streamline your booking process. From managing appointments and sending automated reminders to customizing your availability and offering various service packages, Acuity seems to have it all. But beneath the surface of seamless scheduling lies a crucial component: the payment processor that handles your transactions. So, the burning question on your mind, the one that brought you here today, is, what payment processor does Acuity Scheduling actually use? Well, let's dive into the heart of the matter and unravel this key piece of the puzzle. Understanding Acuity's payment processing capabilities is essential for anyone considering or currently using the platform. It directly impacts how you receive payments, the fees involved, and the overall experience for both you and your clients. Acuity Scheduling, at its core, integrates with two major players in the online payment processing arena: Stripe and PayPal. These aren't just any payment gateways. They are industry giants, known for their security, reliability, and widespread acceptance. This means that Acuity users have the flexibility to choose the payment processor that best aligns with their business needs and preferences. Let's take a closer look at each of these integrations. Stripe, often lauded for its developer-friendly API and comprehensive suite of features, Stripe has become a favorite among businesses of all sizes. When you connect your Acuity account to Stripe, you unlock a powerful platform that allows you to accept a wide range of payment methods directly from your clients. This includes major credit and debit cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, as well as popular digital wallets such as Apple Pay and Google Pay. The beauty of Stripe lies in its seamless integration. Your clients can enter their payment information directly within the Acuity booking flow, creating a smooth and uninterrupted experience. This eliminates the need for them to be redirected to a separate payment gateway, reducing the chances of cart abandonment and streamlining the entire process. Furthermore, Stripe offers advanced features that can be incredibly beneficial for your business. These include recurring payments. If you offer subscription-based services or payment plans, Stripe makes it easy to set up and manage recurring billing cycles, automating the payment collection process and ensuring a consistent revenue stream. Stripe Connect. For platforms or marketplaces with multiple service providers, Stripe Connect facilitates the secure and efficient routing of payments to the correct accounts. While this might not be directly applicable to all Acuity users, it highlights the robust infrastructure behind the integration. Fraud prevention. Stripe employs sophisticated fraud detection and prevention tools to safeguard your transactions and minimize the risk of chargebacks, providing you with peace of mind. Detailed reporting and analytics. Gain valuable insights into your sales data with Stripe's comprehensive reporting features, allowing you to track your revenue, identify trends, and make informed business decisions. Customization options. While Acuity provides the front-end booking experience, Stripe offers a high degree of customization on the back end, allowing you to tailor the payment flow to some extent, though the primary integration is managed by Acuity. PayPal. The other key payment processor integrated with Acuity Scheduling is PayPal. A household name in online payments, PayPal boasts a massive user base and a long-standing reputation for security and convenience. By connecting your Acuity account to PayPal, you enable your clients to pay for your services using their PayPal accounts or via guest checkout with major credit and debit cards. The inclusion of PayPal provides an alternative payment option that many clients are familiar and comfortable with. This can be particularly advantageous if you cater to a diverse clientele, as some individuals may prefer using PayPal over directly entering their credit card details. Key benefits of using PayPal through Acuity include large user base. PayPal's extensive global reach means that a significant portion of your potential clients will likely have a PayPal account, making the payment process familiar and trustworthy for them. Ease of use. PayPal is known for its user-friendly interface, both for merchants and customers. Clients can often complete their payments in just a few clicks. Security and trust. PayPal has built a strong reputation for secure online transactions, offering buyer and seller protection mechanisms that can enhance trust and confidence. Alternative funding options. PayPal allows users to fund their payments through various sources, including bank accounts, credit cards, and PayPal balances, providing flexibility for your clients. International payments. PayPal facilitates international transactions, making it easier to accept payments from clients around the world, though currency conversion fees may apply. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.